Hey, what's up, Harmony token holder? What's going on this time? Harmony 1 is temporary dumps down, and holders are very shocked to what happened. In all crypto market, I think Harmony is one of the unique and best token this time for all holders, especially for all investor who have a plan to invest now in Harmony. I am sure, my friend, they will give you a profit. After watching this video, you will betterly understand to in upcoming time already the Harmony price will pumps up. This time I'm sure I tell you, my friend, to this time they will dumps down, but I'm sure to in upcoming time Harmony will give you a very huge pump, huge profit. So don't miss this chance and please take a risk. All right, let's start a price prediction. Kindly please, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. And if you my friends want to get more profits now, kindly keep touch with us. All right, so this time, as you can see, Harmony 1 price is temporary dumps down, and as you can see here, after temporary dump they will again pumps and the price is totally increasing. But if we check out the last 7 days chart, so in last 7 days, my friend, the price is totally goes down, and you can see here minus 15%. But and the total average, as you can see, this was not equal. I'm sure they will hit the resistance line. This was the resistance line, so I'm sure, my friend, they will hit this target 0.230 USD dollar, but in this time 0.19 USD dollar is the current price. So this was, my friends, 5% profit. So if you invest now 10 USD dollar, I'm sure they will give you 15 USD dollar. So this was a big chance for a big profit. Don't miss this chance and please take a risk. All right, invest in Harmony. I'm sure in upcoming days Harmony will give you a profit. Thanks for watching, holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.